Jog. I jog every morning to stay fit. Type. She types her report on the computer. Slide. The kids slide down the playground slide. Whisper. He whispered a secret to his friend. Tap. Please tap the screen to unlock your phone. Grow. The plants grow well in the sunlight. Fetch. Can you fetch me a glass of water? Sketch. She loves to sketch landscapes in her notebook. Cook. I will cook dinner tonight. Paint. He painted the walls blue. Wink. He winked at his friend during the joke. Print. I need to print the document for work. Kick. The player kicked the ball into the net. Dive. We dive into the pool on hot days. Climb. The children love to climb trees. Stretch. It's important to stretch before exercising. Hunt. The cat hunts mice in the garden. Spin. The top spins around on the table. Sail. He sailed their boat across the lake. Swim. I swim every weekend at the local pool. Cheer. The fans cheer for their team. Sing. She sings beautifully at the concert. Skip. The children skip happily down the road. Float. The boat floats gently on the water. Swirl. The leaves swirl in the autumn breeze. Pluck. He plucks the guitar strings with skill. Shine. The sun shines brightly today. Burst. The balloon burst with a loud pop. Splash. The kids splash water in the pool. Sniff. The dog sniffed the ground for clues. Pour. She pours juice into the glass. Punch. He punched the bag to practice boxing. Dance. We danced all night at the party. Cough. She coughed because of the dust. Swing. The children swing on the playground swings. Wrap. He wraps the gift in colorful paper. Yell. The coach yelled instructions to the team. Bark. The dog barked at the stranger. Fold. I fold my clothes neatly after washing them. Tie. He ties his shoelaces before going out. Zip. He zipped up his jacket before heading out. Melt. The ice cream melted in the sun. Peel. He peels the orange before eating it. Crush. She crushed the garlic for the recipe. Split. They split the bill at the restaurant. Flick. He flicked the light switch on. Squeeze. She squeezed the lemon into the tea. Grab. I grabbed my keys before leaving. Clap. The audience clapped after the performance. Fix. He fixed the broken chair. Mix. She mixes the ingredients for the cake. Tune. He tuned the guitar before the concert. Slice. He sliced the bread for sandwiches. Scratch. The cat scratched the furniture. Scrub. She scrubbed the floor until it was clean. Blink. He blinked as the bright light hit his eyes. Unroll. He unrolled the map to check directions. Mop. She mopped the kitchen floor after dinner. Dust. I dust the shelves every weekend. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.